What, Ayla?
I'm doing a picture as fast as I can.
Oh, as fast as you can.
Okay.
Happy day! You drawing too? Oh!
Oh my god, what the heck is that, Indy?
Scribbles.
No, is that a robot, Indy? Looks like a robot.
It's, what do you call that? Abstract.
What's abstract?
Hi guys.
Mom, what's abstract?
Abstract is just like scribbles. Yeah.
I know what scribbles is.
Yeah. All done? Sige, draw. Good drawing.
They're mine.
Oh, I love it. Who's that?
Me and then I'm doing Veronica and Holly.
Okay.
And then I'm doing
Alright, I don't think you have time to draw. You're going soon out there.
okay. Let's quickly do this thing.
So what happened to their parking? What happened to...
Oh, they've got a vent on.
Ah.
There's a big rainy car that's probably just finished.
Yeah.
And they, before they didn't have much car parking there, they got a big new one. And they got an event tomorrow, so they sent an email saying that the car park's still closed. Which means there's any street car parking, by the sound of it, or some pretty shitty car parking.
Yeah.
So it's going to be, not good.
What happened?
You're not going, you know that? Are you gonna do gymnastics too? Alright, show the guys your cartwheel. Go cartwheel like ate. Daddy? You're not going, baby. Yeah, ate. She wants to go, ate. Look at her. She's like, I wanna go. Aww.
Indy, sure, yeah.
Too young. Too young for gymnastics, Didi. Yeah, dada.
Okay.
Ay, where are you going?
Go,
Mama ka
Mama.
pa. Hi, 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 come here. Ba.
Stay.
It's raining wet, huh? Come on, Ayla. You look gorgeous. I love your hair. You look beautiful. Bye, love you. Bye, ate.
Say bye, Indy. Indy, say goodbye, Lala.
Bye.
I say goodbye. Bye. I say goodbye.
Bye.
Ate, don't. She will copy you. Bye, Ayla. Enjoy, ate. See you later. Don't go there, India. It's wet. Muulan, guys. And it's gonna be a rainy day today. Hi, 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 Batang Wael! Say bye to Dada. Aww. No, you can't go in there.
Come on.
Alright, come on. No, not there. Definitely not there. Mm-mm. You guys, happy Sabado. It is 11:17. Tapos na ako dun sa baba. I did laundry. House chores, guys. As usual. I'm up here. And you know what? My brain, this beautiful brain of mine, wants to go through my tops and declutter. Why? Why am I like this? It's Saturday, Rays. Happy day. Oh, look at me and Daddy. Oh. That's, yeah, me and Daddy in New York. Before you guys. In New York. Oh, you want baby shark. Do, like that? Oh, you want to dance like that? Do. Baby shark. Do. Just wait. Huhuwat. Maghuwat.
Okay.
Happy day! Happy yarn? Yeah, happy lang ha. Kay, unya natin kapatulog. Kami. Yes, so nag-laundry ako and then mayroon na naman akong mga ipuput away na from last laundry, yung mga nakasampay. So sabi ko, bawasan ko kaya itong mga nakasampay dito. Mag-declutter tayo? Sige nga. Try lang natin konti. Kuha tayo. Here we go. This is just a small portion of my tops. T-shirts. Mga ganon. I'm not wearing that. See? I'm pretty good at decluttering. Wala lang talaga akong time na as in declutter time lang. Ini-insert ko lang siya. Like ngayon, parang tinutopak ako. I didn't wear this year. So, sige, declutter natin yan. See, itong mga to, hindi ko siya sinusuot, guys. Kaya lang, nahihiya akong i-donate siya. Baka sabihin nila, sino yan? Yung mga may pangalan ng channel natin. Marami to. Ito. Alam mo yun, I can't get rid of it. Iniisip ko, baka saan siya mapunta at sabihin nila, sino to? I don't wanna wear that. Sabihin nila ba? We got that in Japan. This is nice. Oh my gosh, ang dami ditong hindi ko na nagagamit. Alam mo, itong lahat. Ito, okay. Magaganda pa siya, guys. Hindi ko lang talaga siya ginamit this summer. So, inisip ko, kung hindi ko siya ni-reach out this summer, then why would I reach out to it next year? Ilalagay ko to sa box. Bigyan natin sa ating mga pinsan, you know? Padami na ng padami yung aking mga damit na i-give away. Oh, ang galing. Alright, ayan. Masaya na ako dyan. Alright, push. Oh, diba? Kumuha pa talaga ng more pa. Ito ibibigay ko to kay mama. Wait sa. Ay, ang madali lang pala mag-declutter. Yan, hindi ko yan sinuot. Oh, dalawa agad, di ba? Ito, bigay ko to kay mama pang Zumba. Hindi ko na din yan sinusuot. Ay, ang galing naman natin. Kasi ang dami ko pa ditong hindi ko nagagamit. Is this my color? That's nice. Ito, kakasuot lang natin ito. Alright. Ooh. Bigay ito ni Michelle. We're keeping that. That. Alright, we're doing good. Ito pambahay. Alright, I'm keeping all of this. That's good. So, itong mga to, in-order ko to sa YesStyle kasi meron sila nito sa YesStyle, yung Rolla na brand. Sumikat siya, diba? So, nakita ko siya sa YesStyle, in-order ko siya. I didn't really wear any of these. So, itong mga to, bigay ko kay mama. Kasi parang hindi siya bagay sa akin yung kulay. Pero magaganda yung mga material na ito, mga cotton. Ayan, madami na ulit tayo hangers. Ito din bigay ko kay mama. That's a Zara top. Ayan, bigay din natin kay mama yan. Okay. Yan na muna. Hi! Yan. Asaan ko na naman yan itatamba. Tiniclutter natin ganito kadami. Very good, Rice. Very good. And these ones, ibabalik na naman natin. Ihahang na naman natin po dito. Okay, you're back here. Oy, maluwag-luwag na siya, di. Ay, saan ko na naman yan itatambak? Yung nag-declutter ka, tapos nadagdagan pala yung trabaho mo. Kailangan ko itong isort para ilagay sa box. Tambak pa more. I need a whole day. Oh, nandito na si Daddy. A whole day na walang disturbo. Kasi walang disturbo talaga. Madi-declutter ko ito lahat. Itong mga nasa closet ko. I don't have that one day though. I will not have that one day for a long time. And it's okay. Life is good all the time. Magbihis na tayo. Nandito na si Daddy. Daddy's here today. Daddy's here today. Daddy's here today. Daddy's here today. Everybody clap your hands. Daddy's here today. Indy's here today. Indy's here today. Everybody shake your hands. Indy's here today. I love Ate. Okay, hold my hand. Hold hand. Ate. She's singing. Hello! Let's get ready, you guys. Mayroon pala kaming movie date today with the girls. Manonood kami ng The Devil Wears Prada 2. Dito tayo mag-ready kasi in day sleeping. Maglalagay ako ng lashes. And dinala ko yung aking mga gagamitin. Konti lang naman siya, so nagkasya siya sa bulsa ko. Ito. Alright. I'll just do my lashes quickly. You guys, I think I got these lashes from YesStyle, hindi from Shein. Kasi parang last time, sinabi ko Shein ko siya nakuha. Feeling ko YesStyle ko yan nakuha. Yeah, kasi parang ubos na ata yung binili ko sa Shein. Sa YesStyle yan. Again, I curl my lashes. Glue. Ito meron siyang bond and seal kasi binili ko to siya together with other lashes na hindi pre-glued. Itong mga lashes na gamit ko ngayon, pre-glued na siya. So may glue na siya, pero gusto ko maglagay ng glue sa lashes ko kasi mas naglalast siya sa akin. Danyo. Nasa guys, grocery ang ating daddy. Our best daddy in the whole wide world. So pagdating niya galing gymnastics, kasi siya yung sumasama kay Ayla sa gymnastics. Diretso agad siya guys sa shops. Kinuha niya si Arlo and pumunta sila ng shops kasi kailangan kong umalis ng mga 1:10 siguro. Kasi yung lunch namin is 1:30. So magla-lunch muna kami before kami manood ng movie. Kasi yung movie namin is 3:30. I rarely use this area here. Kasi ito yung namin. Ito yung other bathroom namin dito. Yung may bath talaga. Nagagamit lang to siya kapag may mga bisita. Kasi yung mga bata din, madalang na mag-bath. They take a shower with me. So, ang laki kasi ng shower namin. So, kasya kami. Kahit kaming 4, kasya kami doon. Hindi pa yan masikip. Our shower is big. So, mas nakikita nyo tong area na to sa ating mga bisita usually. Kay Miss at saka kay Manay. Sobrang dalang ko lang dito. Come on, done! Kabila naman. Hawak ko ang beat, hawak ko ang beat. All done! Dito, para walang light. Ayan! Wala tayong lights, ha? Ano yan? Natural lighting. Alright. So, ito lang yung mga ginagamit ko kapag lumalabas. Kapag hindi lumalabas, ito lang talaga. Not necessarily ito, but sunscreen lang talaga kapag hindi ako lumalabas. Kapag lumalabas ako, minsan, kapag biglaan, wala na akong pakialam. Like, I just go like this, na naka-sunscreen lang. Pero kapag may time, like now, I put this on, nagkukusyon ako, tapos blush, tapos lip tint. Minsan, wala na nga yung cushion, blush na lang, tapos lip tint. Kadalasan, lip tint na nga lang. Pero may sunscreen talaga lagi. Pero yan lang, hindi ako nagsiset, so I don't apply powder on my face. Kasi ayoko nga yung I want it to be as natural as possible. Malamig ba sa labas? Feeling ko malamig sa labas. I got this from YesStyle. Skintific yung blue. Shade ko is 04 Beige. BLK Creamy All Over Paint in Palm Springs. Uy guys, meron pa palang Palm Springs. I checked recently and meron yung Palm Springs na shade. Where's my lip tint? Time check. It is 12:26. And okay na ako guys. Ready na ako. Hindi pa pala tapos. Sorry. Akala ko tapos na. 15 minutes pa yung natin, washing. After nyan, ilalagay natin yan sa dryer. So, perfect. ang ating timing. So, malalagay ko siya sa dryer before tayo umalis. Because I don't have to leave. Oh my gosh. It's gonna rain. Or is it still raining? Yeah, mag-hat ako guys kasi pag nabasa yung aking buhok, magiging basang sisiw ako. Where is my hat? I'll go now. Bye guys.
Mama, where you going, Mama?
Hmm?
Where you going?
To the movies.
What? I thought you didn't watch it.
Not lipstick, no lipstick. Bye, Daddy.
Mama.
This is our fit today. Wait. Uulan guys. Sabi ni Dan, magdala ka ng payong. Pero ako magdala ng payong. Gagawin ko sa payong. Maghat lang ako, bahala na maulanan. Suot natin tong Onitsuka na binili ni Miss para sa atin. Alright. Di ba kayo talaga isuot na umuulan? Alright, let's go guys.
In the group with you and Kathy, Lyra said Alice Nardin Akko. Reply to the group.
No.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's raining. Dito na ako guys. Muulan. Naiiyo yung ulan. Nagpark ako doon medyo malayo kasi ang busy. Dito kami guys sa, ang tawag dito Lai? John Leva. Patay ka sa John Leva. Order kami guys. May, dito sana oh. Kaya lang ang laki ng table. Diyan ba? Oh, can I get the mini pho as well? And then the net spring roll? And then lava bun please.
Yung yung mini tapos yung fried rice.
Afterwards. Yeah. And then for the drink, masarap pala. Do you have just soft drinks? Coke Zero. Yeah. Thank you. Dito yung order namin. Tingnan nyo. Sobrang liit.
Hindi ka gutom ka, sinabi mo yan.
Sobrang liit talaga. Maliit na bowl. Pang Arlo, pang Ayla. Kami pang tatlo nag-order.
Meron
Oh.
akong rice.
Ayan. Buti lang, nag-order ako nito, guys. At saka lava ban. Nag-order ako lava ban. Meron sila.
Ay, nag-order ka rin tayo?
Oo. Dalawa lang. Gusto nyo, dagdagan ko?
Hindi, okay. Walang
Sticky date? Sige, order na sticky date.
Wala man dito.
Mamaya.
Ano anak mo? Sauce?
Ano ba? Yung tikman. Ay, hoisin.
Saka yung, ano ba yung bulak? Late-late na nga.
Kunin mo, ibalik natin.
Gaano man ito na order nyo? Late-late na ng order. May wine pa ng sauce.
$9 na nga lang. Ubusin nyo pa yung sauce namin. Tikman nyo natin.
Ala, tigna yan.
Uy, masarap na. O, dinala mo talaga sa table natin talaga. Ubus na nga yung sabaw mo. Parang nakadalawang ano ka pa lang, spoon. Konting lang talaga.
Ibabalik ko din.
Oo, kasi para to sa mga full size tayo.
Yeah, because
Thank you.
You're right. Thank you.
Sabi ni ate mga buwan.
Kunin lahat.
Meron naman mga...
Mini na nga yung noodles.
Binigyan kami ni ate nitong dinala ni Kat yung buong bote ng sauce.
Almost kalaki na nung ating bowl.
Ayan nga, sabi niya, late na nga na in-order nyo, kinuha nyo pa yung para sa lahat.
Masyado kayo.
Gahaman ka.
May noodles naman.
May noodles. Yeah, meron. Kompleto Ricardo. Maliit nga lang. Perfect. Akin tulay.
Kaya sa'yo yan. Ito sa akin. Mas malaki pa yun.
Mas malaki pa yung kutsara kaysa
Mas
sa...
malaki. Kasi masyadong malaki yung yung regular. Ang fairness, ang sarap.
Kahit yung small nila, malaki pa din. Hindi mo pa din nauubos. Perfecto mini. Nag-Uber ka, Lai?
Hindi, ginanap ako nito.
Yeah, mas okay na magpa-drop kasi ang busy ng parking.
Dami ng tao. Ang dami ng tao.
In fairness, meron namang maraming bill.
Marami naman yung bill. Parang okay na tayo dun sa bill. $9 lang naman kasi daw.
Lababan. Kain tayo habang mainit pa. Try mo lababan. Ayaw no. Ayaw, bakit ayaw nyo? Ikaw hindi ka kumuha ng lumpia.
May lumpia pa dito, Inday.
Kaya nga.
Ba yan?
Kulay na.
Ang sarap ng tinapay kaya. Ay, ng tinapay ng ano.
Kainin mo yung lababan.
Parang ang laki naman, Day. Hati
Iba
tayo.
Iba yung itsura. Yung lababan. Egg yolk na dahil. Salted egg yolk. Yeah.
Hati tayo.
Yeah, hati kayo. Yung kasanayan ko, smooth. Hindi man to smooth. Para man to
Lababan, parang nakapalit ba?
Hindi. Pero masarap to ka. Magustuhan.
Ay,
Yeah. Dapat sobrang init niya talaga. Iba yung texture niya.
Parang
Iba siguro
donut
yung Chinese lavaban at saka
Yeah, parang donut.
Vietnamese.
Parang donut.
Masarap pa din. Masarap ng yolk. Okay.
Ay, parang donut nga yung ano. Kaya nga parang donut tas may custard yung loob.
Yung sa sa Chinese naman, para siyang siopaw yung consistency. Hindi ganito na parang bread. Yeah, masarap din yun.
Custard yung ito ba? Custard. Oh, in fairness, masarap.
Di ba? Masarap din to dahil.
First time ko din na
Yeah?
Yeah, first time ko rin. Masarap. Para siyang may sa atin. Para siyang Spanish bread.
Oh yeah, naguwi lang siya.
Yeah.
Tingnan niyo yung merch. Ang cute. Ang cute ng lid. Red. Ay, hala. Ano naman yung isa? Mano, ano yan? Ang cute din yan. Kaya, may inner ka ba? May inner ka naman. Doon ata dahil sa kabila. Nandito na kami.
Ay, may charging.
Iba na yung iba naman yung upuan nito. Massage ba? Uy, umayos ka dyan. Gusto ko massage. Ay, nga. Ay, wala nga. First time ko din.
Ay, sorry.
Yung first ba?
Bakit may ganyan-ganyan? Nagbabibrate lang.
I don't know. Tinatry ko lang.
Baka nag-charge ay ko ka dito.
Hoy, nung ignorante lang talaga nito mga taga-province. May ganito pero hindi naman gumagana. Pag press mo, nagva-vibrate lang. Isa.
Abobo mo?
Nasa gilid, oy, bobo talaga to. Grabe. Minsan lang magkita, ang sasakit magsalita.
Abobo talaga tayo.
Paano po? What's wrong?
Para saan to?
Kaya nga, bakit may ganito? May ganito. Iba yan, tas iba naman to. Ito yung paangat ng paa, yan. Pero may ganito, tas hindi ko alam kung ano.
Ano yung camera mo, Day?
Yan yung isa, yung interest. Yeah, Gold shot. Bakit may ganito?
Ayun na kayo sa akin.
Wala, hindi mo alam.
Tinanong niya si Meta niya, Day. Galit lang ako. Pinag-pinag pa kaya. Sabi ni Meta.
So, ano yung gagawin sa Prada? Sa Devil Wears Prada?
Maganda ito mga avatar, yung mga lupad dito. Salita ka. Ay,
Sorry naman. Siyang paningin? Ay, ang galing naman. Pang motion daw pala. So, kapag may kalabog sa movie, kakalabog din kami. Ganon. Busog nga ako. Busog daw. Busog pero kuha ng kuha. Guys, dito pala kami sa bahay. Napunta si Nakat. Dito kami magdi-dinner. Order lang kami. Bun Thai yung in-orderan namin. So, Thai food kami ni Kat ng kids. Tapos si Dan at saka si Neil nag-drive somewhere to order something. Kunin natin yung gustong ibigay ni Ayla kay Veronica. So, ito yung mga lip oil ata to na in-order ko sa Yes Style. So, papiliin natin sila. Ayla! Where are you? Toilet? Did you wanna give this to Veronica? Get two. And you choose one for you and one for Veronica.
2 for me.
One for you and one for her. So you... Yeah, open it.
Yeah.
Let's see what you got. It's a lip. It's a lip oil. That's a lip oil. It's not for boys.
Mommy, can you please help me? Can you please help me? You can't just make me the dinosaur.
There you go.
Thank you. No, you can.
Let's see what you got. I think you got different colors.
Downstairs. Hopefully we got the same color.
I don't think it will be the same. It's all different.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Give me the rubbish.
Sticky tape. Mama, can you hear it?
Yeah. Ah, nice color, ate.
Let's see which color I get. I got dark. I
You
think
got
it's
dark.
dark, right? Wait, no, wait. I don't remember. No, wait.
Give me that.
I can't.
There you go. Oh my goodness, why is it so stubborn? There you go.
Ooh.
Oh no.
What?
Kind of the same. Ah,
Baby.
cool.
Wait, hers is a bit red.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put some on right now.
Sige daw. Oh. There you go. Nice.
Good job. I'm getting that. Wait lang, Papa, wait. I'm using that flash.
Okay, go, go. Pag yun hindi mo natamaan, sa lapit nun talaga naman.
I'm getting that. Captain America. Go.
Oh, well done, kuya. Go, Elijah. Kaya Batman, mate. Oh, well done.
Ooh. I got the other one.
He didn't fall, mate.
I got the other robin. Oh, yeah.
Okay, coming.
No, I'm getting two fashion. But I will get Batman.
Show the guys your wings. Oh,
No, I'm not fashion.
look. So cute. Oh, here. You tell her happy birthday, okay?
Happy birthday!
Other present? What other present? It's Tita Kati's present. Kaya nga. Grabe pa naman yan mag-spray talaga. O maglagay. Paka-ignorante naman itong mga batang to. Para naman talagang wala nandun. Ha? Ano yan? Oy, Indonesia Polo. Legit ba yung Indonesia Polo? Hindi ko alam to. Wala kang red? Meron ka red?
Fine, we will buy si Chayo.
Ganyan din ba? Blue din? Yeah. Meron dun blue. May light blue dun. Sabi ko, wala pa tong red si Kat. Daming kulay dun. I-adjust mo naman siguro para malaki naman.
And
Kasi may
we,
paper.
went to that
Yeah.
pickup,